Hey, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it, Leo? Like the box. Ooh. Ooh. Is it good? Does it test out okay? Is it a good one? Is it a good one, Leo? Should we open it up? Yeah, we should open it up. Let's open it up. All right. All right. Yes, I did buy one. I finally got a 3D printer. I don't know how many people have tried to shame me into buying one. This is the Creality. Where's the thing? Yeah, spool's up there. This is the Creality 3V2. And Creality is one of the oldest brands around, and they just keep getting better and better for the price point. I was at the store the other day and I saw this for $229. So can't pass it up. So I did get one. So I'm printing things. I've done some mods on it already. I flashed new ROM, new firmware in it. So this is the fancy firmware with fancy fonts and stuff. The user interface. So there's a flash card in the machine, there's a flash card in the controller, and between the two of them you get the new software up and running. There's a bunch of videos online about all of this. Anyway, seems to work fine. I've been building some things for it. You can see that I've already built some little covers here for the opening. So there's a whole bunch of online things, you know, Thing Universe and stuff. Let's see here. I made some spirally hubs for the PLA, so that it doesn't have as much friction. It can spin around easy. And I'll show you some pictures here. I've built some little toys. I built this really cool box. So the box has gears on the side and a latch, and when you push the latch, it's spring-loaded. It's wound up, and it's spring-loaded, and the lid opens up. So that was pretty cool. The little toys are all articulated. The wheels spin and they move around, and yeah, it's fun. I'm just having fun with it now. So anyway, I might use it for building like project boxes and stuff for my electronics and things. But right now, I'm just having fun with it and learning all about the world of 3D printing. Oh my goodness, another rat hole to go down.